Hey folks, in this video I'm going to be showing you 5 ways to get quality backlinks to your blog, and these are free ways to get them. It's an awesome way to get quality backlinks that Google likes, and it'll help your blog get more traffic and just have faster results when it comes to rankings and reaching higher positions in search engines. And this is a preview of the 5 methods that I'll be talking about in a moment, but I just quickly want to say that if you don't know who I am, I create videos on YouTube on the subject of blogging, affiliate marketing mainly, which is what I do for a living, and I just talk about the ways to succeed in this business. What I do for the most part is what's known as affiliate marketing, where I promote other people's products on blogs, on my YouTube channel, on pay-per-click ads, and other avenues. And out of all the methods that I use, blogging is the one that's been most successful to me. In fact, here are some of my income stats from one of my affiliate marketing campaigns, and most of them actually come from this particular blog, which gets this many visitors. It's not really a lot, but it's been making me a good, healthy income for the past few years. And this is a blog I've been running for several years. I've probably made several hundred thousand dollars from it, and I continue to do that, and I continue to implement the same 5 strategies I'm going to be talking to you about in a moment on this blog, on other blogs that I run, and you can use them as well. So real quick, before I go into the details of these 5 things, which I just said were over here, I just want to explain to you what a backlink is and what the difference between a quality backlink is and a low quality backlink is. So a backlink is literally any link that you or someone else puts outside of your website that links back to your website. So for example, I can email someone with a link to my website and say, hey, check this website out when you have time. If they click on that link, that's considered to be a backlink. If somebody mentions my website on Pinterest and social media and YouTube comments and comments on any other site, or if I do that and it's outside of my website realm, that link is a backlink. So once again, any link outside of your site that points back to your website, whether you created it or someone else created it for you, that's a backlink. Now, in the realm of backlinks, you have quality backlinks, which are good, and low quality backlinks, which are bad. And most people don't know the difference between the two, and most of the time they get it wrong, which is the bad ones. The bad ones are generally ones that you buy in huge amounts that people say will give you high quality backlinks for like $10, and they give you like a 1,000 low quality backlinks, which are toxic. They don't do anything to actually bring your blog down. Don't rely on those. Don't pay for backlink packages. I've made that mistake before. I know better. And the second thing is, don't go around other people's websites, forums, social media channels, and spam your site hoping to get that backlink out there. That's also a form of spam. It does not work well at all, and I know this from experience. Now, in terms of high quality backlinks, the best way to understand this is that a high quality backlink is basically a link that you place or someone else places for you that makes people want to click on the link and visit your website on the other end. When you do that, not only does it get more traffic to your website, but Google sees that as a high quality backlink. And the 5 methods I'm about to show you are a reflection of that. All right, so let's get into the details of what these 5 methods are. The first one is YouTube description backlinks. This is the easiest way to create a high quality backlink in my personal opinion. Basically what you do is whenever you blog about something, create another YouTube video that is on the same subject as your blog post and link that YouTube video to your blog post through the description. So for example, if I go over here to my website, it's a post on 5 ways to create high quality backlinks for a blog. Once I created that post, I created a video, which is the one that you're watching right now, and in the description, I'm linking back to that page. And by the way, let me just quickly say that if you're interested in learning how to be a successful blogger, a successful affiliate marketer, the link in the description of this YouTube video, which is right underneath the video, is going to help you get started with that. It's something that I help people a lot with, so if you're interested in that, if you're struggling, check that out. So that's the first method. Second method is high quality content. Now this approach is the most important thing that your blog needs to succeed. The higher the quality content you create on your website, on your blog, the more it's going to get people to like your blog and share it with other people, which means they create backlinks for you. If they share your blog with someone that they know or other people that they know personally, a lot more, like say one person or multiple people, that's them creating backlinks for you, which is one of the most organic things that can happen. And you can get people asking you if you want to link back with their site, so you can kind of do like link exchanges with people. It's one of the best ways to do it, but it all starts with high quality content, and I explain how to create high quality content in the link below this YouTube video. Number 3, Pinterest. Pinterest is one of the most forgotten ways of creating backlinks and getting traffic, but it's a huge area for both of those things. And basically what you do on Pinterest is you create images and videos, and if the images and videos are really good, people save those images on their Pinterest accounts, or they share it with other people that they know, and that is an approach to backlinking. So for example, I run a nature website called thenatureseeker.com, and I have a Pinterest account for it, and these are all of my pins and videos that I've created over the years. Now if I go to one of them over here, such as this one, it's got over 4,000 views. This is a video of a place that I've visited, and this area right here, this pin icon that you see, it says 51 next to it. So that means that 51 people looked at that video that I created and they pinned it, which means that they pinned it on their account. So that's almost like 51 backlinks that have been created for me. So it's a great way to get organic, high quality backlinks. It takes some time to get used to Pinterest, but it's a great source of getting high quality backlinks. It's you making them, and then people make them for you by sharing your images and videos. So it's another form of organic backlinking. Next option is internal links. Now this is the only method out of the 5 which isn't by definition backlinking, because you are linking within your site to another part of your website or your blog. And the reason why this is important is because Google it loves to see websites and blogs that internally link from one post on the site to another post within the same site. And this helps your rankings grow a lot more. It helps people explore your site a lot more. And for example, if I go through this blog post, this is an internal link that leads to one of my posts on the same Helping Hand affiliate site. Here's a couple more. These are all posts that I'm interlinking to other posts on the very same website. And this is like an internal form of backlinking, which is kind of against the definition of what I said it was earlier, but it's still very powerful SEO methods that help your website get ranked better. It's basically a form of irrigation, and where you make more and more ways for people to explore your website, okay? And finally, the last form of backlinking is social media comments on websites. Now, this is where people can get this wrong. This is not where you go out to other people's websites and you just start spamming your link like crazy. This is a different approach. Let's say that I run some sort of nature website. What I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to Google or other search engines, and I'm going to find other blogs based on the same subject, which is nature. And when I find the ones that have the nature blogs that have a Facebook comment section underneath their blog post, that's where I'm going to post my comments. So for example, I visited a certain location, and then I find a blog of another person that visited that same exact location. I'm going to go to the comments if it's there, and I'm going to type in, hey, this is a great spot, I visited it too. Here's what I also saw there that you're welcome to explore. And I leave a link back to the same blog post that takes people to the very same subject. It's a high quality way of getting backlinks, and it's an awesome way to get more traffic back to your website. So that's the 5 ways summarized. You can create these backlinks for free. Some of them take time, but the most important thing I want you to understand is that a blog's success comes from the high quality content that you create. Normally everything else comes second, and a lot of people prioritize creating backlinks over creating high quality content. It's a mistake you should avoid making, and something that I hope you correctly do. If you click on the link below this video, I talk about that subject in great detail. So with that said, thanks so much for watching this video, and if you have any questions about these backlinking methods or about SEO, affiliate marketing, blogging in general, you're also welcome to ask me that below this video as well. Once again, the tutorials and how I help people out with this subject is in the link below this video. Thanks again for watching, and have a great one.